From our Galaxy smartphones to tablets to wearables, the Galaxy ecosystem is customizable, adaptive, and designed with you in mind. At Samsung, we're committed to delivering more open experiences across the Galaxy ecosystem to take your favorite products and services to the next level. That's why we partnered with Google to enrich our wearables experience, bringing Galaxy Watch 4 to the Wear OS platform. Together, we collaborated to optimize performance and to provide seamless access to apps on Google Play, including YouTube Music. You can download songs and even stream YouTube Music straight from your Galaxy Watch 4. That means you don't have to stop to pull out your phone when you're in the zone. Or you can even leave your phone behind if you have the Watch 4 LTE model. And we are excited to announce that you will soon be able to use Google Assistant right from your Galaxy Watch 4. We've also optimized the watch phone pairing experience. Before, you'd have to search your watch apps one by one to sync them with your phone. Now, apps in your Galaxy smartphone are installed in your Galaxy Watch 4 with just one tap. The Galaxy Watch 4 series is known for its advanced health experiences that empower you to become your best self. And today, we're elevating them even further. Your Galaxy Watch 4 now brings you tools that enhance your running and biking experiences. We collaborated with top-ranked apps like Adidas Running and Strava to update the Galaxy Watch 4 experience with more enhanced user interfaces to help you power through your exercise. Many of us know that when you're cycling, it can be hard to look down at your watch. With Watch Mobile interworking for cycling, Samsung Health captures and shows your Watch 4 data, like your heart rate or calories burned, on your phone's larger screen in real time. And when it's time to rest, the Galaxy Watch 4 can provide daily goals and coaching programs to help you achieve a healthy sleeping habit. By analyzing survey results, you can set your sleep style with Samsung Health and get personalized recommendations. I wear my Galaxy Watch 4 all the time, so it's important that it fits my style and mood of the day. Galaxy Watch 4 is our most customizable smartwatch yet. And now, we're introducing new colors and patterns to our watch faces and straps. You can mix and match so you can coordinate your look your way. From more customization options to enhance your self-expression, to advanced features to put you in control of your health, we are so excited for these new updates to the Galaxy Watch 4. These updates are available today, and we can't wait to see what you do with these powerful new capabilities.